and welcome to this episode of Dorm Dishes. Today, we're making a totally healthy and totally customizable meal, stir fry. First, you're going to need some protein cut into bite-sized pieces. Next up, some vegetables of your choice. Some noodles to serve up our chicken and vegetables. Some sauces for flavor. I've chosen some soy and teriyaki sauce. And finally, some oil to fry everything up in. To begin, pour some oil into the pan. Next, drop your chicken or whatever protein you've chosen into the pan. Cook the chicken or protein until it becomes golden brown on all sides. Now we can put it aside for later. After the chicken is out, we can start on our vegetables. Cook them until they're soft. Once the vegetables are done, we can put the chicken back into the pan and mix our vegetables together with the chicken. Now it's time for the noodles. Drop them into the pan with our chicken and vegetable mix. They won't need to be in there for very long. When the noodles are cooked, we're ready for our sauces. Pour in plenty and mix it well. We're nearly done. After a couple minutes, your stir fry should be ready to serve. Heap some onto a plate and enjoy.